Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix Steam not downloading games. So the first thing what I suggest to do here on Steam, you need to press on Steam on the top left, then go to settings, and you will open up this window here. Then make sure your right region is selected in the download section, right region. Then make sure throttle downloads while streaming is off, and also make sure to clear download cache. Once you clear the cache, you need to relog into your Steam account. Next up, what you need to do here, you need to go to storage and then here press on the three dots and here make sure to repair library. It will take a few minutes, but after that, it may download your games. Next up, what you need to do here, you need to open up CMD or command prompt. Make sure to open up as admin, because if you do not open as admin, it will not work. And then you just need to write IP config space /flush DNS. After that, you need to press on search, write view network connections, and on view network connections, find your internet connection, right click on it, go to properties, then press on Internet Protocol version 4, and then use the following DNS servers, and on preferred DNS server write 8.8.8.8, and on alternate 8.8.4.4, and apply the changes, right? And the last thing what is just to do here is to go to device manager. On device manager, you need to expand network adapters. And then when you're on this window here, you can exactly look what network adapter you're using. For me is this one, as you can see here, Realtek Gaming. And you need to basically update all the drivers, but you can update it, of course, one by one. It will not take too much time as well. That's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like.